Welcome viewers to Deal Delight YouTube channel. Stay blessed wherever you are. So we are heading towards BabusarTop. Right from Skardu, we have started our journey back to our hometown. And now we have left the Gilgit road, main road of Gilgit. We have left it. Now these are the views of Babusar road. We are heading towards the top of Babusar, which is probably about 13,800 feet elevation, and this is the main. These are two junctions, which leads toward Gilgit and Skardu separately. So this one is a clear route, especially in the summer season. And in the winter, this road, due to heavy snowfall, this road was permanently closed. So these are the beautiful views of the natural beauty of my beloved country, Pakistan. These are the parts of the northern areas, and which is worldwidely prominent and famous for its natural resources, clean drinking water, and natural beauty. A Yutong bus is ahead of us, which is probably will go to Rawalpindi. And this is a passenger vehicle, and we have stopped here because of this heavy bus. So look at the tourists, the local fruits here, and the cultivation. By the local farmers. Here we will see huge trees of walnuts and some apricots trees, and the stream is leading towards the Indus River, which is downside of the road. The stream, the water of which is cold, and probably in these days, in August, it's too cold. But people are enjoying here to come the natural beauty as well as natural resources. These valleys are famous for production of aquamarine, worldwide famous gems, and for the quartz, different varieties of quartz, jade, and marble. Marble is famous worldwide, competitive to the European marble because of its cool quality of coolness and hardness and finishing in a good product when it goes to factory. So these are a few minerals which I have counted but tourmaline is also available here. Tourmaline, but those tourmalines are in specimens, basically for decoration pieces. People are buying those specimens, and also some specimens of aquamarine, which is famous of the Sugar Valley and Astaknala. So here the stream we see, which is heading and connecting to the Indus River. So we probably, I would suggest worldwide tourists and internally in Pakistan to have a visit. It's a beautiful place, as well as it's a peaceful place. There is no any such problems which we see in the downside of the country. So this is a peaceful area for the international tourists, and we welcome and we appreciate highly international tourists which we have seen already in a big teams, mountain climbers and trekkers and motorcycle riders. And I have seen a German couple with the video I have recorded separately, and we will edit. After editing this video, we will see the couple in the age of 70 plus, and they have visited in their own vehicle, which for me was astonishing to see that vehicle. And you will also enjoy when you see that vehicle in which they have visited the entire northern part of this country and the northern areas, Gilgit-Baltistan region. So they are very pleased to meet me, and I was so pleased to see them and their vehicles. And there will be that's 2 days before when we met in Skardu, and they have told that we are now going to Hunza Valley. Look at the beauty, viewers, connecting Gilgit and Skardu by this road of Babusar. I'm not going to close the video. It will, I think, for 15 minutes you should further dedicate to this video, please. I invite worldwide tourists to have a look and enjoy the natural scenes, the natural beauty. Walnut big trees are now visible in the video, and I have from the local people, according to their statements, the local people have told that these trees are probably up to 300 years ancient and old. These are probably huge trees. Now 2 vehicles are crossing. The one is the Faisal Mower's big vehicle, and the second is MG, which is also of the tourists. And look at the motorcycle rider. He is locally from Punjab. His number plate shows that he came from Punjab province, and now heading back towards his hometown. So this one was the second, and the natural I will try to record till the top. When we reach to the top, if the time allows us, then we will straight commenting time to time in the video, and slowly we're heading toward the top of Babusar. Livestock are freely crossing the road, which is common in here, especially here. So you should, when driving, we should keep in mind and take care of the livestock which are free to move. These are the trees of the walnuts. The big trees are visible. Olive tree, and these are the walnuts. We can see clearly the size of these trees, which was naturally grown. Nobody planted these trees. There are different streams which is leading and connecting to the Indus River from the top of Babusar. We are heading slowly, viewers, towards the top because of the fault in our vehicle, and we are unable to move fast. That's why we will take time to reach toward the top, and the video is going to record up to 14 minutes. And I think I will now let's take a few minutes more, but there's big distance towards the top, so we will record it in episodes, 2 episodes, and then we will be able, because there is a problem of the light. The sun is setting and the sun is going down, so This is also will be a problem. Now you see the cutting here of the road and the height of this top. Now Babusar is for 24 kilometers, Naran 90, Mansehra more than 200 kilometers. There goes. A view of a local village. These trucks are basically the truck we've seen used for chickens to brought them here to Skadra and Gilgit and some more big villages and towns. We see the natural stream, the clear crystal water and the greenery, which is astonishing. Astonishing to see these greeneries. So that's enough viewers, because the video is going to take some more time. We will record again. So bye now, and stay always blessed. Thank you so very much. Please subscribe, like and share the video. Thanks for your watching.